Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are doing part 3 of our Final Cut controller project using the Raspberry Pi Pico. So, boards came in from JLC PCB, haven't really opened them yet. Let's hop on in and take a look at those and we'll get it all soldered up. Next episode, we will do the actual I'll have the code written. I'll show you how things work, and then we'll make sure it works. All right, so time to look at the boards. All right, here we have the box that the PCB is shipped in. Of course, they come in a envelope. I had DHL, so it came in a DHL envelope. And we get 5 of each board. We get 5 tops and 5 bottoms. Of course, I like to save these boxes. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the bottoms. And I'm going to use my Veneer Forge Ronin flipper. Right. Anybody that is looking for an interesting knife made by a guy here in America, the Veneer Forge, I'll put a link down below. He makes some really cool Japanese-inspired blades. All right, we have the bottom plates, and there's really nothing special here. They're just bottom plates. The magic happens up here with the top plates. I can get into it. There we go. The JLC PCB does a really good job of sealing these up. I will give them that. And here we have the top plates. This is what it's going to look like sitting on the desk or the computer or whatever. Bottom side. This is, of course, where your Raspberry Pi Pico will go. Just like this. Woo! Well, guess the time is now. Let's get some components slotted in, make sure everything fits. Try out the encoder first. That fits nicely. And we'll put a switch in. Of course, that fits. We can make the diodes, of course, they'll fit because they just bend real easily. So, let me clear off my desk and get it ready for some soldering, and I'll go through the soldering fast forwarded so it's not too boring. All right, we'll be back in a minute. All right, I've got my vise set up. My soldering iron is heating up, and we are ready to start. All right. We got it soldered. We got it all screwed together. We've got it built. All of the buttons click. The knobs click. In the next episode program, I will have the firmware written and we can just step kind of through it and look at what it does. And we'll try editing a video. So cool. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a great night. See you next time.